Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, my lord.
15.
15, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord, we require some instructions. So if Lordship, you kindly grant us 2 weeks' time, my lord.
Prepare of Mr. M. H. Rupert plus. It's up to 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
Wait. In the
May please allow the bill application under corrective of PNS in connection of the Kajigaon PS case number 21 of 2024. My lord, in this case, charges has been submitted lawfully under section.
Take steps from the informant respondent number 2 during the course of the day, preserving a copy on the public prosecutor through the registry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is from Kajigaon.
Yes, lordship.
Yes, ma'am, when possible.
Lordship on 17th or 16th, 17th.
Lordship, in this case, also charges submitted lordship in connection with the
Same prayer, Lordship.
Is it same case?
Different
Kajigaon
case,
PS
Lordship,
case
from
number
from
95.
Kajigaon. Case number is different.
Earlier is 95, Kajigaon.
Yes.
Yes.
This is earlier one is 21. This is 95. Okay, same date.
Yes.
Next
Lordship.
steps.
Yes.
Informant respondent number 2.
My pleasure, Your Lordship. Regular bail application, my lord.
Just a minute.
Offense, offense under section 61 close to 140 close 3 and subsequently added section 103 close 1, my lord. Page 14 is the FIR, my lord. In this case, CD is required, my lord. But
From Bhorolomuk.
my lord, I am paying for short date, my lord. Why I am paying for short date, my lord? On that regards, I was.
9th, Lordship.
Lordship, 4th, my lord.
One of the case we have
Yes, my lord. That was AB, my lord.
Fixed on.
No, they were disposed of. That was AB.
So can it be on 6th, Lordship?
okay.
6th.
My lord.
6.
May please allow.
Just a minute. Just a minute. On 6.
May please, Your Lord. Lordship has already decided a bail prayer in this case, my lord. Same issue is involved. Matter under the Budge Act, my lord. We were arrested on 4/9/2024, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, section 409 APC was added on 4/11, my lord, after the expiry of 61 days. My lord, will find your lordship's order at page 37. Same date of arrest, my lord, as the. Oh, tomorrow.
What do you have to say, Mr. Haloi?
Lordship, if I am not wrong, lordship,
It's from Rangapura PS.
Yes, so PSK is Rangapura were amalgamated, my lord, into this.
lordship will file an objection.
The issue is same, my lord.
You file your objection, whatever, we'll take it upon 3rd.
Third, my lord. Deeply obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, allegation against the petitioner is 21C, Lordship, commercial quantity.
Solicited matter.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may call for the scan copy.
Proof of the PS. 1. zero.
Special NDPS case number 40/24.
Special limited NDPS number 40 of the special NDPS arising out of allowed the copy of what a timing we are fixing it on 12.
Lordship.
Obliged.
I don't know what signal of finally password for pending lordship my thing is select. This is what I will select port number 23 lordship. For a pending lordship. Hello lordship.
May it be pleases your lordship. Here, your lordship, I am appearing as legal aid counsel, your lordship. An application under section 482 BNS Act for granting pre-arrest bail to the accused petitioner. Here, under section, your lordship, 341, 354B, 363, and 511, 506 under IPC and read with section 8 of POCSO Act. And here, your lordship, other co-accused has already been granted in matter in this bail has already been granted, your lordship, and that I have annexed it in page 24 as annexure 3. On dated 27/8/2024, your lordship, in connection to PS case number 112/24, that is annexure 3, page 25. Accused, namely Gopal Das, other co-accused, and Aarti Das has already been granted bail. Here, your lordship, he is only age of 23, and everything here is false because, your lordship, the case has been registered on 2/8/2024, and your lordship, the said occurrence happened at dated 4/4/2024. Here, your lordship, I am praying he
Where's the bail
says
order?
FR is on page 12 to 16, that is photocopy, and annexure 1A FR 17, page 17 to 20. Annexure 1A. Page 17.
Where is the bail order?
Bail order. Bail order, your lordship, page 25, annexure 3. Other co-accused has already been granted bail in this matter.
This is not the full order.
Your lordship, prayer is allowed as bail is granted in CRLM
This should be a
Bail-
different page.
case number 437 in connection with same 112 and 24/24. Why the order dated 27/8/2024.
Where is that order in past and criminal means bail case number? You have not annexed that order.
I have not been provided by legal aid counsel, your lordship. I'll be filing it by filing
But
one.
it is there.
Lordship, your lordship, granted
See,
a notice
what
should
was
go.
there? Had there been something in that particular order, we could have considered your case. But at this moment, we will not.
Short date may be given, your lordship. I'll file I in this regard, your lordship, annexing that order copy. In the meantime, notice should go. Box is there.
This is from Baksa,
Yes,
Muluguri, right?
yes, lord.
Get it?
On
When?
16th, lordship.
Next, try to have it in the second week of December. Sometime 9, 10, 11.
Lordship, on 11th. On 11th,
Take steps, ma'am,
yes, your lordship.
on the informant respondent number 2 during the course.
On the next date, your lordship, in interim may be granted, your lordship.
Depends upon the case diary,
Yes, sir.
materials available.
Deeply obliged.
Anticipated bail application, my lord.
Yes,
Lordship, you will find at page
Steps
15,
on the-
FIR, my lord, Panikla, my lord.
Steps from the informant opposite party number 2.
My lord, in this case, informant is the minor, my lord. He has been forced to lodge the FIR, my lord.
Doesn't matter. Why, it should have been represented by somebody.
Yes, yes, that I made sure mother is the guardian.
You have not See, you are an expert in criminal matters. You know what?
Because informant has to be served a notice, I made a point within bracket guardian.
On tenth slot.
We are in draft
This
relationship,
is
my lord.
from
Dolgaon,
now you can get it. When
tenth.
then take steps during the course of
Deeply, your lord.
should be registry.
My lord, along with 9, 10 also may be taken together, my lord.
Mr. Bora, how is your health now?
My lord, better.
Take care.
Problem. Next matter also, my lord. Out of the same incident, 3 FIR has been initiated.
Okay.
My lord, first, my lord, in this case, my lord, kindly turn to page 17. This is the first FIR lodged by this is during the last by-election. There are some incident between two political parties. This petitioner belongs to the one political party and one of the member has lost this FIR at page 17, my lord, first point of time.
Yes, then
Then page 27,
Hmm.
the other party also lodged an FIR where these petitioners are praying for anticipatory bail, my lord. Page 27.
Hmm.
Same incident.
this time by who filed the FIR?
My lord,
Victim, the same incident, who filed the FIR? The victim or somebody else?
somebody, my lord, from the other party, one Mr. Nauman Islam. He has lodged an FIR. We are looking for that FIR.
Yes. Then
This is the case, my lord. The our FIR, my lord, very specific. He has lost, the person, the informant, he has also suffered the bullet injury also. That is in lordship page 23. FIR at page 17 and his injury at page 23. As a counterblast to this FIR, this our FIR at our FIR at page number 377 and the subsequent FIR is page, my lord, page 25, which is 379.
what about the other case? Then
Same, my lord, there's one more FIR has been lodged, my lord, here for the same incident, my lord. That is page 25.
yes, ma'am, this is from Rupuhi. Can you?
Yes,
when
doctor.
can you get it?
We can get
We'll
it
give you
on
a very
9th,
short.
6th.
Okay.
Or 10th, doctor.
See, at the earliest next week, they're not giving you any interim material. So we need the yes, that.
Can it be on 9th, doctor?
But along with the 9, not on 9, either on 6th. Have it on 6th. Can get it.
Lordship,
Not much of time from Rupuhi,
lordship,
but have the other cases also. Or you can have the status report of the all the cases,
lordship.
right? Because whatever we have seen from the affairs, like this,
Lordship.
whether they are custody, get the status report in each of the cases because there are counter cases.
Not.
So all those cases in the first case, first matter and item 9.
Uniform FIR.
Is Rupo here, PS case number 381 is the main, but
381 is on it.
also have it on Rupo here, PS case number 377, not for
And 379 also.
then 379.
Applied.
Similarly, the other case. Here is
380.
379.
381.
379 is already there.
Yes,
Yes.
only 318 one man.
377 is there. We will be requiring with the 381.
381.
Get listing along with the medical reports, if
Lordship.
any of the injured person.
Yes.
Ask them to give the status report.
In respect of the
Along with the
TFR.
medical report.
Yes.
On 6th.
Public.
Applied.
Right.
May I please, your lordship, can we matter be pass over for the, as A Somar is out of spreadsheet?
You have the case there?
Yes, sir.
Then we will not map because the interim order is in force since 18/7. Let us see what it is.
Lordship will kindly take the FIR Lordship is page 9. This is related to Lordship fake and duplicate certificate for employment into the police reserve and home guard agencies. Lordship.
Hmm.
And Lordship here, all these names are given Lordship, those who are involved.
Hmm.
And after investigation Lordship, it was found that after recording of the statement of the victims Lordship, they all have name Lordship, one person by the name of Gopal Chandra Lordship, and also the present petitioner Lordship. Here a large numbers of money were paid to them in lieu of that. And if Lordship kindly goes to the statement of another person who has been arrested by the name of Jimmy Das, he owns a computer store. These two petitioner Lordship had fabricated this document in his shop Lordship. His statement is also there. So Lordship kindly goes to the Lordship. IO's note also reflects Lordship that he appeared before them, but he did not answer any question.
Get a case there.
Yes, I've given
Yeah.
it.
What's your good name?
P. Gogoi or
Full name? Full name?
sorry,
Full name?
Pallavi Gogoi.
Okay. We pass the order on Monday. Third, Ms. Pallavi Gogoi, counsel appearing for behalf of Mr. Islam and Mr. P. Sharma, directed list on second. Unnecessary. The interim order passed on 18/7 in favor of the
Highly aggressive.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application under section 482. FIR is at page 12, your lordship. Now, your lordship, this lost by police officer, your lordship.
Hmm.
At altogether, 4 persons are named, and I am one of them. That is Subhas Bora, your lordship.
Hmm.
Now, allegation is of collecting money and investing in, your lordship, trading,
Hmm.
and then misappropriating it, your lordship. Now, your lordship will kindly see that so far as I am concerned, your lordship, we don't have any business in trading, your lordship, that's for sure.
Hmm.
And none of the, your lordship, the individual, your lordship, whom they allege that we have cheated, your lordship, they have come before the authorities, your lordship, lodging any FIR, your lordship. And for that reason only, your lordship, criminal breach of trust and cheating will not come, your lordship. Ultimately, your lordship, it is the investors, if any, and they are not investors, your lordship. I have annexed, your lordship, agreement between the petitioners and the petitioner and the some other persons. I do business, your lordship. I do supply business to various private groups, your lordship, and I take money and I have already returned them, your lordship. And your lordship will find my bank account details. I have annexed everything. From these account details, your lordship, everything will be clear, your lordship. Your lordship will find that I do not have the money, and entire transactions, your lordship, I have annexed from January 2024 to November 2024. There is nothing, your lordship, there is nothing in this bank transaction, your lordship, which can be said that huge amount of money I have been collected, your lordship. There are money amounting to 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, your lordship, that I have again debited, your lordship. Now, as on that, I have money amounting to, your lordship, 126 in my account, your lordship. Now, this person, your lordship, remain, and these kind of transaction, your lordship, taking money from the people, your lordship, in villages for business, that has been going on, your lordship. Now, for every transaction, can there be the allegation of cheating and trading, your lordship? That cannot be, your lordship. Now, only because of that, I have done this, your lordship. They have come to know about from somewhere, and they have, your lordship, brought me under this section. And on the face of it, your lordship, 3-1 criminal breach of trust will not come. And if it is criminal breach of trust, then cheating will not come. Your lordship has held in one of the judgment, I don't have it right now, your lordship, that both cannot stand together, your lordship. Cheating and criminal breach of trust. If it is cheating, then it is not criminal breach of trust. And if it is criminal breach of trust, it cannot be cheating, your lordship. I can understand, your lordship, that huge amount of money transaction are done, your lordship, in some cases that has been going on. It's a different, but your lordship, in all cases, to rope in people in this manner, your lordship, in my humble submission, it's not proper on the part of the investigating agency, your lordship. I will, your lordship, stringent condition may be imposed, your lordship. I will comply those, your lordship. I will cooperate with the investigations in every manner, your lordship. Your lordship may call for the case that some interim protection till now. Your lordship has seen, your lordship, the nature of it. It is not like the other cases, your lordship. And I have come up with everything, your lordship, available with me, your lordship, without hiding anything, your lordship. The agreement that has been executed, your lordship. And this
13 lordship, case started.
Difficulty is, for example, whatever you have said it on behalf of the petitioner,
Lordship.
found to be
on instruction.
petitioner to be very honest,
Lord.
very correct. True and thing. See, you have annexed some of the agreement,
Lordship, Lord.
fine. But that itself indicates something wrong.
Lordship.
We have what we have noticed, page number 13, 16, 19, 22.
Lordship.
Where is the date? Where is the date? On which date you have entered into that agreement?
2022, Your Lordship.
That's right. 2022 had 365 days.
Lordship,
2022 had 365 days.
Lordship,
Into
So at this stage, CD may be called for on
got it.
Lordship,
Whatever the petitioner might say about himself that he is very
Lordship.
clean, but here is an agreement. How we have tried to cheat the investor? Simple, no date in the agreement.
No, Your Lordship will kindly see.
That is why we have to get the case there report.
No, Your Lordship, that is there.
In your
Finally,
prayer
get
for
this person.
interim.
Lordship,
Right?
date is there, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
Your Lordship, below Your Lordship.
Below by whom? The lawyer
No,
or the notary?
Lordship.
Any date can be given.
No, Lordship, that, Your Lordship,
Where is the number?
Your
By
Lordship,
which
it is,
number the notary has, we should see everything. Where in this
it
property?
is Your Lordship.
Where is
Could
the
be
notary's
could-
number? Where is
No,
the
Your
property?
Lordship, I admit what has fallen from Your Lordship's mouth. I accept Your Lordship. Even then,
That is has come to our notice,
Lordship.
right?
No, Your Lordship,
Well,
that is there. Your
wow.
Lordship will kindly come to page 23.
And you see the conduct of the notary. That's all.
At the end of the day, Your Lordship, unless Your Lordship,
Mr.
some of the
We'll
persons
definitely
seated, Your Lordship, come before
will
this honorable
consider
court.
your prayer for interim and everything. Let the case there come.
Yes, CD will reveal everything.
Get the case there.
On 13, Lord,
13.
13.
Fine.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May kindly pass over the matter for a time being, my lord. My senior is in court number 1, my lord.
Let us see what is there.
Can copy was called for Lord.
Take your seat.
Lord.
Tell us how many POCSO cases are pending with you?
My lord, there are two POCSO cases, my lord, and we are seeking pre-arrest bail in connection with the first POCSO case. In the second POCSO case, my lord, the petitioner has already been granted bail. He's been acquitted, my lord, due to
Now,
contrary
can you
statement.
tell us what is the POCSO case, that is the special POCSO case? What is the police station?
My lord, the second POCSO case is POCSO case number 258/23,
Arising out of
arising out of, my lord, my lord, Lahari Ghat PS case number 172/23.
in that particular case, you have been acquitted.
Acquitted because of the contradictory statements of the so-called victim girl. Now, my lord, we are seeking pre-arrest bail in connection with the first POCSO case. That is POCSO case number 155/22, my lord, in connection with Lahari Ghat PS case number 632/2021. My lord, the parents of the so-called victim girl, my lord, they disapprove of the relationship, the friendship between the petitioner and their daughter. Therefore, they are filing multiple cases against the petitioner, my lord. And the story that they have narrated, my lord, that in the
Can you tell me on which stage you have appeared before the Senate POCSO? You have stated in your petition that you have been regularly appearing. Can you tell us on which stage you have?
my lord, on two dates, my lord, 24/7/24 and 27/8/24, I did not appear, and I gave petitions, my lord, all petitions that I was not well, I was not sick. That is why I did not appear. The 2 dates I did not appear. I gave petitions, my lord. My lord, my kindly see page number 14. Page number 14.
Are you sure about that, whether the petitioner has instructed in that manner?
My lord, in the second,
We're not in the second case, we're in the first case. Tell us whether the petitioner instructed you properly.
in the
When you have obtained bail in the second POCSO case, did you state before the court that there is another POCSO case was pending against?
no,
The reason for granting bail in the second POCSO case when the matter was on trial and release of you on bail from jail, never stated before the court that there is another POCSO case is pending against you. Such kind of petitioner who suppress all these facts before the court should be considered for such pre-arrest bail for the court office.
no. My kindly pass over the matter for the
Why
time.
was the bottom?
My
Will ask the petitioner to personally appear before.
in connection with the
See, basically, when he obtained bail from the Lanet POCSO court, right? There was a different judge at that point of time. That judge was not aware. You have not made a mention because these cases, the first case was, first case came later before the POCSO.
Yes,
The second case came early.
because,
But when that matter was pending, the first matter was pending.
because he was so
You have
his
never
absconder,
stated before the
yes.
POCSO judge, you are also an accused in another. What happened? Bar and bench is very close at hand. And once there is some misrepresentation from the bar to the bench, it's very difficult to regain that faith. Very difficult. So whoever tries to mislead the court has a difficulty. even if you can bring many laws that trust goes, once that trust goes, there is a case, the petitioner, when he obtained bail, the second case, he never submitted before the POCSO court, but there is another POCSO court prior to that case pending for petition.
Perhaps I
Ask your petition, come back to us on Wednesday.
might.
Come to us. We'll have the entire record. We have seen that police officer, how he lied. We could have finished his career, but we do not do that. That's not our. He lied before Mr. Sharma. And immediately we got the information. And we know how to collect that information. Here is a case. Ask the client. Witness different. Top of the list. Will be. Or
The same POSCO Act, my lord. But the section is,
act is same,
but the section is much
victims
lesser.
are different. Yes, tell us.
Section is much lesser, extend up to 3 years. Had it been an offense under IPC, it would have been a bailable offense. Be that. See. Otherwise, from the case study also, you can see that several
How many cases of this you have filed charge sheet?
There, Lordship, I will look to take instruction, Lordship. And Lordship,
Putting in jail is for what reason?
Lordship, at least for the
You
investigation
put
purpose,
somebody in jail for what?
for the
For corrective
investigation,
measure or for that he will
investigation,
not do anything in future?
Lordship, because 2 or 3 reasons can be shown, Lordship. One is for investigation purpose and one is, Lordship, is a threat, Lordship.
That's true. That's why we're asking you for 21. There are many cases, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Sometimes there are cases pending since 2021.
Yes.
How many of these cases you have filed charge sheet? See, necessarily what happens when there is any incident
Lordship.
Prior to 15 August, 26 January. If somebody is alleged accused under a particular police station,
Yes.
police will send intimation to them,
Yes, yes. I understand, Lordship.
right?
Right.
Up here, oh,
Yes, yes.
so that to maintain law and order.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
It happens. So that is the reason.
But here, Lordship, just to be very specific to this petitioner, Lordship, he was the one who had done the Lordship logistic support, given the logistic support to the other militants, Lordship. He showed them places in Guwahati, isolated places, night time, CDR analysis. He has been in contact with every Alpha, Lordship. CDR analysis report is here. Everything is here, Lordship.
See, we are on live. But even
That
so
is why, Lordship, I can just.
I can just, even on live, I can tell you an example. For a legal service authority meeting, we happened to a very interior place, district Dharam. The district judge was there, the secretary of the Assam State Legal Service,
No.
he was there.
No.
The superintendent of police was there of Dharam. And we were all sitting in the first room. Then we have seen many youth coming and touching the leg of a young deputy committee, very young deputy. Then who was sitting next to me? The district judge was also wondering. The state legal service authority was also wondering. Then there was a old teacher who was sitting on my side. He was telling me, sir, এই ল'ৰাবিলাক সংগঠনত আছে তাৰে তেওঁলোকক আনি পেলাই settle কৰি দিয়ে। So now they are having their a beautiful life. They are very hardworking otherwise. And that is why all are very showing their respect to him, and they're all of them are there. So this Dignaz was telling me if because I was there. Then the deputy commissioner and the superintendent of police said, no fear at all. We'll take you to their place. And I was wondering, yes, depends. If the leader, the deputy commissioner was the leader. So out of various schemes, he led those boys in various good activities, particularly agricultural farming. And from his side, whatever benefit he gave. And that is the reason why all these boys who were deviated from the main line to different returned, lived in the family members. Family members are happy. I have talked to them personally during that program itself. And then it was something very special. And the district legal service, the state legal service authority who was there at that point of time will be retiring in the coming year. Whenever he meets me, he's in a different district now. I'll say, those boys, he was scared, and then how he was. It's true. So there are, that's what we are saying, that daily is something different where you are correcting the people, achievements. So personally, I believe Assam is not that kind of, right?
Absolutely.
So somewhere something is required, that leadership quality.
Yes.
A DC who doesn't stay for a district for a long time can do that. Why not others?
Okay.
That DC is somewhere is a commissioner now. Once I met him after that commission. But he possesses that quality. But you are saying he's involved in all
Yes.
these activities.
Yes, absolutely, Lordship. For reasons, Lordship knows I cannot submit everything, Lordship. If Lordship kindly
See,
goes.
you should sometimes, as a team, you should visit the jail.
Yes.
All the public prosecutors should visit the jail and try to find out. I still remembered his lordship, of course, is retired, Dr. M.K. Sharma. Lordship expired, Justice P.K. Saikia. There was one big theater component, Mahananda Sharma. I don't know whether he used to see theaters or not. He expired, his son and daughter-in-law. These people are very much involved in the activities of the state. So, son of Mahananda Sharma and his daughter-in-law used to regularly visit Guwahati Central Jail. There are many good singers, guitarists, tabla players, drummers. There inside the jail, there is no music equipment. Justice P.K. Saikia came and some organizations to him donated the entire music set, whatever is required, because thereafter also M.K. Sharma visited Justice M.K. on many occasions. Find out. Because these are the corrective measures where you can.
Right.
That is why you should go and see what people are doing. Tihar jail is another aspect.
Yes.
Where they are doing the bakery is so strong. The entire Delhi and the entire outskirts, NCR, the bakery items are provided from the Tihar jail. Right? So it should some kind of, and we do not only sit that side, we move around various activities.
Lord.
So sometimes we should go to realize. I believe some kind of psychological or some kind of discussion should be there with them.
Lordship.
They will not remain in that state every time. And you should try to find out the origin, why in that line? What was the reason? Right?
Lord.
If you are saying he's involved, so
He's involved.
Lordship, considering the length of detention, Lordship, 74 days, Lordship, and a mandatory
How many
period is 74 days, Lordship.
wait for few more days.
Lordship. 90 days is mandatory, Lordship.
Can we
Wait for few more days.
UAP
Lordship.
extend to
Yesterday also their rating day was over, I believe.
No.
Right?
Nothing, then
Wait for some more.
fix in another day, please.
Okay, we'll have it in last week.
Yes.
When he was arrested?
69, Lordship. 69, date of arrest.
Is
29,
9. 74 days.
74 days.
Lordship, or 75 days, whatever.
12 or 13 Lordship.
Thirteen.
13.
Deeply obliged.
We may be allowed to update the schedule.
Obliged.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship,
Here, may I just place Lordship? Yesterday, Lordship, two matters were listed before Lordship. One was ABA and one was BA, Lordship. In those two cases are related to this case, Lordship, and both of them are fixed on 3rd, Lordship, Monday. This is that case, Lordship, regarding fake gold, Lordship, where the Lordship had asked me to produce the bank account details of the present petitioner, Lordship. I have the details, Lordship. So, Lordship can be taken up together on Monday, Lordship. With
No, that, you have given the bank transaction of that.
yes, yes.
Through his wife, he has collected that amount.
Yes,
to
yes,
ATM.
through this petitioner, Lordship, Razia Khatun. In her account, the 5
What
lakh.
was that case yesterday?
I have given, that is AB 2975/24 and BA 3383 of 24.
Okay, we'll have it on 3rd along with.
Yes, 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 yes.
Lordship,
Number correct. Yes, ma'am.
the mandatory period will be over by Sunday, Lordship.
Is it?
Yes, today is 59 days.
Arrest taken 210.
The petitioner was arrested on 2nd of October.
Is there to report it? I'll get the right to the check. Case that. I think case that is with the
Yes,
file.
case there is here, Lordship.
Yesterday,
Yes.
find out what was her date of arrest.
Date of arrest.
It is there yesterday, I have not seen.
Yes, Lordship.
The Khatun was arrested
210.
first, I believe.
210, Lordship.
Find out from the arrest number.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is your forwarding?
Forwarding is annexed in the petition, Lordship. Arrest memo.
210.
210, Lordship.
Okay, put it on Monday.
Monday.
Obliged, Lord.
Act. It will be taken. Yes, ma'am, make a mention in the morning on 2nd. On 2nd. Make a mention in the morning itself,
Monday.
Monday, 10:30.
Obliged, Lord.
What is your lordship? Regular bail, today 58 days, 60 days, statutory period. Your lordship idea got is page 30, my. That professor of the college, my lord, that he was, everything gone, my lord. Suspension, reputation, everything is gone. I think enough, 58 days, my lord. So I'm not going to make it at this stage, my lord, your lordship. After get certificate, 2 days you will take, man.
You have a case there.
Yes, my lord, and as per the, my lord,
File, my lord.
my lord, UPI transaction, we have seen, my lord,
13 lakhs to them. All are repaid in
That is your lordship already mentioned, my lord. I am not on that at this stage.
otherwise, but
60 days, my lord.
It is
I am not on that, my.
Yes, what do you have to say for us?
only materials are there, my lord, only on length of detention, otherwise, my lord, but trust is not yet filed.
Arrested when?
Arrested on, my lord,
Arrested on my lord, P
Monday,
10/24.
Monday, Monday.
Monday, my lord. 60 days will be over, my lord.
Monday will be what does it?
Obliged. Monday, my lord, I mentioned, my lord.
You make it a mention at 10.
Obliged.
Yes.
On the last date, which matter was in fact dismissed for non-prosecution. There may be some error from the on the part of the registry.
No, the order is that we are fixing the matter today.
It was uploaded in the e-code also. Was it that met dismissal?
at first, my lord, dismissed for defer was directed. Subsequently, he, my lord, by ran, he came, my lord. Subsequent.
He made a mention in the second
Yes,
half.
yes,
Probably.
yes,
Maybe
second half,
that's the
second.
reason. How come it is there and the order is different? How come in that thing?
I have taken the short order.
None appeared. Or a petitioner. Petitioner remain unrepresented on call. So names of three councils have been reflected. 21 to have? 21. 90. Name of three councils. Dismissed for non-prosecuted.
My name may be
That's all.
Leader.
I'm for it. I'm okay till the right.
Yes, next.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, last day, lordship, sought for up-to-date instruction from the respondent. Today is 60 days, lordship.
16 and
60
Lordship, charge sheet has not been laid.
That's it, not yet filed.
Not filed.
When you was arrested?
Oh, 1st of October, lordship, 1/10/2024, lordship. Today is 60 days. Page 16 is the forwarding, lordship.
Why you have put them in jail unnecessary for 60 days?
Lordship. 24 grams of heroin was found.
Might be now, if you have no facilities to prove, if your state is so poor with regard to, we have been considering all these aspects, you know what is happening inside. And these peddlers are, and the persons have a long hand. From them, you will not get the FSL report, but for you will have the immediate FSL report. And if we are waiting till 6th, what is coming from the government, we'll see.
No.
Heard Mr. PG Dr. Council referring for the petition.
Ready. Corresponding to the number 173. To the what is the recovery?
24 grams of heroin, Lordship. 55%.
The petitioner along with yeah, two other. In a Maruti bearing registration number AF06R0624. Coming from Ting Kong side during narcotic at Namrup railway station. Recovered 24 grams of suspected heroin in Phuket from the said vehicle. Since 1/10/2024, petitioners are in custody till date for 60 days. But the respondents have failed to submit the search sheet in the case due to non-availability of the applicant. 50,000 each to look into the case committee.
Obliged.
Yes. The बाकी के नहीं बाकी चिंता करना और
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I extremely beg your pardon for the interruption. I'm appearing for item number 27, lordship. I was totally unaware when the matter was called. It was listed for orders on 26/11/24, an order was passed for producing a report.
producing a report, no? You have fixed it for orders today? That
Yes,
bail matter.
bail matter, yes.
We have
Lordship.
dismissed it, rejected it.
I just only pray before lordship that my appearance may be recorded.
What's your good name?
Miss A. Bora,
It was hard, Mr. S.C. Besses out there on that day.
that the seniors
His name
there.
will be there.
Okay. Okay, much obliged.